Hey guys, today I wanted to talk about the 2014 Scion FR-S. The one I have today is a limited edition, the Monogram Series. Now they only made a few thousand of these Monogram Series for 2014, so it is kinda special to own one of them. Now let's talk a little bit about the Scion brand. For those of you that are new into the brand, Scion is a brand of vehicle produced by Toyota Motor Corporation for the North American market. Founded in 2002, Scion's long-term goal is to appeal to Generation Y consumer. The first Scion models, the XA hatchback and XB wagon, went on sale in California in 2003, followed by a sports coupe, the TC, and a nationwide US launch in 2004. Up until now, they have about 5 different classes of vehicle for sales in the US, including the Scion FR-S, IQ, TC, XB, and XD, not counting the special series editions. So what's so special about the FR-S Monogram Series? Well, it has a lot of luxury features that the regular FR-S doesn't have. On the exterior, the new FR-S Monogram Series will look basically identical to the standard FR-S, except for its color key rear spoiler and standard HID headlamps with LED daytime running lights. Most of the updates included in this new package are on the inside. Here is a closer look at the HID headlamp and the LED daytime running lamp. The LED daytime running light on the FR-S is really bright, even in daylight. At the bottom you see the front turn signal light and the very unique front bumper. Finish off with the 3-section grille that makes the front look really aggressive. Alright, now I will have the headlight turned on to give you an idea of how it would look. There you go. This particular model comes with 17-inch alloy wheels with 215/45 summer tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally front and rear ventilated disc brake with McPherson strut front suspension. It can start from 60 mph to 0 in just 117 feet, a respectable distance. Here is the specific FR-S fender. Looks really nice. Side view mirror. Here is the shark fin antenna for the radio. Alright, the rear also comes with 17-inch alloy wheels with ventilated disc brake as well and double wishbone suspension. And the gas cap is located on the passenger side. Alright, let's take a closer look at the back. Here is a closer look at the tail lamp. And the rear spoiler, which only comes with the Monogram series. Now, in my opinion, I think the back looks so much better than the front, and that's just me, especially the rear diffuser, which have the carbon fiber effect to it, but it is not made with carbon fiber. And the dual round chrome tip exhaust looks really nice. In the middle is the reverse light. Alright, on the remote I have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic buttons, and the Scion logo on the back. Alright, let's open it up and check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system. With a key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Raven Black, featuring black leather seats interior with shaded insert in the middle, as well as red contrast stitching on the seat, door panels, dash, and steering wheel, with aluminum trims all around. Looks really nice. Alright, let's get in it, start it up, and see how it sounds. Alright, with your foot on the brake, push the button to start. Very nice and sporty interior. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what it have to offer. Alright, under the hood is a 2-liter horizontally opposed 4-cylinder engine produced by Subaru, generating 200 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter, and rev-match downshift route power to the rear wheels. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 7.9 seconds. Top speed is limited to 140 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 25 city, 35 highway, and 28 combined. That is some impressive number for your mile per gallon. Alright, let's shut it down and check out the interior. Okay, here's the look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with red contrast stitching all around, and aluminum trims on the door handle. Both windows are fully automatic. Looks really nice. Here is the aluminum door sill with round black dots on it. FRS logo on the floor mat. And the aluminum pedals with black dots on it as well. There's your gas lever, pull it up to open. And here we have your trunk release button. Alright, let's take a closer look at the seat. The seats look really sporty, and it is partially wrapped in leather with threaded insert in the middle like I mentioned earlier, as well as red contrast stitching on it. Alright, and you can control the seat manually. Alright, the 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather with perforated side grip and red contrast stitching on it as well. Feels really nice with aluminum trims in the middle. And behind the steering wheel is the center paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a better ride. And here is your control to your windshield wipers, and the light control and turn signal light control. Here we have the driver side air vent. Alright, there is your odometer trip control, your display buttons, and a closer look at the gauge. Looks really nice. Alright, a touchscreen audio system now comes standard on all FRS. And for the Monogram series, you get things like heated leather trim seats with Alcantara insert, front seats only, bespoke premium audios with navigation system, smart key with push button start, HID headlamps and LED daytime running lamps, dual zone automatic climate control, color key rear spoiler, frameless rear view mirror, rear center armrest, anti-theft system, heated outside mirrors, carpet trunk mat, and many more. Okay, the gearbox is wrapped in black leather with red contrast stitching on it as well. It is a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter. At any time, you can press the up or down paddle shifter to switch into manual mode for a better ride performance. Alright, down here we have the traction control off and your different driving mode. And the 2 button for your heated seat, park and brake. And here we have the 2 cup holder for the passenger and the driver. And here's the center storage compartment with the 12-volt power outlet, glove box compartment. Also comes with the Monogram series is the bespoke premium audio system. You get onboard GPS, geolocated points of interest, social media integration, and even more. Bespoke give you all the technology you want and more. Bespoke Premium Audio offers GPS navigation with access to point of interest, push-to-talk recognizing 33 voice navigation, media, and phone commands, including a new one-shot destination feature, which allows you to say the entire address without pausing. Bespoke Premium features AHA, available for Harman on iTunes and Google Play, originally designed for touch-sensitive screens of smartphone and tablets. AHA features clear, simple menus to access. Over 40,000 internet radio stations and podcasts and audiobooks, personalizing music channel, sport text, business and international news, social media like Facebook and Twitter, location-based service to find local restaurant, coffee, hotels, and weather updates like Yelp and TripAdvisor. Now, sitting in the back can be a really difficult task. The fact that it doesn't offer any leg rooms at all with the front seats back to sitting position. However, there are 2 seats in the back available just in case you want to tag someone along, but it's going to be really uncomfortable. Alright, this is how much leg rooms I have left, even though the seat is not all the way back yet. And you can pull that string right there and push the seat up to get out. Alright, let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space we have in it. Okay, the trunk offers 6.9 cubic feet of cargo space. But remember, you can also fold down both seats and get extra cargo space. Down here we have your spare tires and your tools. Overall, the FR-S cabin is sporty and will attract a lot of younger buyers. The FR-S front seats offer firm support for hard driving, but remain comfortable over long distance travel as well. Driver of just about any size can find a suitable driving position, and low profile hood allows an expansive view of the road ahead. Alright, let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how it feels. Now it does offer a lot of leg rooms in the front. There is no problem sitting in the front seats. Just about any size of the door will be fitted comfortably. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a comment and let me know how you guys think about the 2014 Scion FR-S. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. Also, stop by my Facebook page and like the page so you know exactly what's coming up next as far as how future videos will be uploaded. Link for that will be down below. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.